Hindi. At tapos, of course, noong mga panahon na yun, we had NCEE. Examination. Wala ka pa. Wala ka pa. Bata ka pa noon. Ay, wala ka pa. Probably not born yet. So anyway, if you have reached a certain percentage sa score mo,
pwede kang pumasok.
Exempted ka na.
Okay.
So, talagang it was, the doors are all open for me, sabi ng daddy ko, in-advise niya, and then, yun na nga, no exam. Takot pa naman ako sa mga exams. So I got in, and
sa mga exam, and you've been taking a lot of
I know.
exams in the US even.
Ironic, ano? Ayaw, takot ako. Pero I took the boards in California before I took the boards here. Kasi after I graduated in 88,
so, pinag-practice niyo yung board doon sa US?
Pinag-practice ako yung US.
My goodness, napakataas ng standard ng Pilipinas.
Hindi, at saka I took my boards here in 06 na, when I came home.
And then after the board, very obviously you passed.
Oo. Nabore ako, so sabi ko, mag-open ako ng practice.
Okay. So it's good to be bored sometimes.
No, I'm just kidding. I really love my profession. I love my work.
So immediately after
Very
that,
rewarding
you opened
siya. After I got my license, sabi ko, sige, I'll open a practice. And I was going to sublease with a family friend, very good cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Gonzalez, and her sister, Dr. Castillo, a dermatologist, no, dun sa Green Hills. But nagkaroon ng problem with the architects ng Ortigas, so I decided to, I ended up in my own spot in B Mall. So talagang everything
so in a
siguro,
sort like parang nagbabagsak.
meant to be, no? Meant to be talaga.
How does it take to be a different dentist?
Well, first of all, the amount of training and the quality of training that you've had, no? Secondly, patient care, and
So iba-iba yung level po nito, no?
ethics, and iba-ibang level, and of course you have to care, yung patient care nga, you have to care so much for your patient's treatment and end result long term, and to keep them as for the rest of their that they would need dental treatment or dental care. You want to keep them like a family in your office, in your practice.
Hindi sila kliyente, kundi
Hindi
family
yung
member.
punta tapos alis, goodbye, I'll see you whenever I'll see you, or pag may sumakit ulit. No, my
Or
patients...
pinapanalangin mo na sumakit ulit.
Hindi naman. My patients come every 3 or 6 months.
Okay.
It depends on ano yung
part
nire-recommend ko, kung sa periodontal, sa gum
part na
condition.
po ng kanilang life yung,
Oh, yes.
yung pagpunta doon, pagbisita. So, it's very interesting to know also that I'm not sure about being a dentist. Anong klaseng buhay mayroon ng isang dentista?
Actually, yung mga the process of being a dentist, licensed dentist, no? Especially in my case, 2 countries, US and here.
Yeah, but I mean,
mahirap, mahirap.
Anong klaseng buhay kayo? Meron pa rin kayong nightlife?
Hindi, ibig sabihin, mahirap nung umpisa. I was getting there na. Noong umpisa, while trying to get the license, mahirap talaga. No nightlife, no happenings, no whatever. Pero pag dentist ka na, I find that I have enough time for my kids, especially now that I'm here in the Philippines,
so, baliktad
compared to in the States.
Baliktad yun ang sinasabi ng iba na pag may work ka na o may business ka na, mas kukunti na yung time mo dun sa mo.
Oo, depende kasi. Depende with the type of business and how you practice your business, no? In my case, dahil healthcare siya, I take care of the full mouth rehab. Medyo stressful lang sa umpisa for me and for the patient, lalo na dito ang daming mga major cases, no? It's more of corrective than preventive, Yun ang
Sa atin sa Pilipinas?
Oo, kasi sa States may insurance, So
isa ito sa mga...
every 6 months,
Isa ito sa dapat gawa ng paraan ng gobyerno.
Alam mo, hopefully, pero mahirap kasi it's very expensive, no, para magdentista, di ba? So, mahihirapan siguro na magkaroon tayo ng budget bigla-bigla. But maybe, I can, my brother suggest that, no, sa makakuha ng bill for that.
Nung ano po kayo, nung kayo ay nasa college, kayo po ba ay madalas makipag-participate sa mga extracurricular activities? Or talaga nakatuto kayo sa libro?
I am a member of Alpha Phi Omega fraternity and sorority. So, we were busy with meetings, get-together, service, dental and medical service, kasi nasa medical and dental campus kami. So we would always...
So, ganun lang yung involvement ninyo?
Oo, and part of my college life kasi I was with Dyna Records nga. Like you mentioned kanina.
Okay, so you're
hindi ko
going
pa rin
to sing?
pinapanganak noon
Okay.
yata.
Bibigyan nyo kami ng isang number ngayon?
Hindi ko na ma-remember ang kanta kong Memories.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Maybe
How do you really
later.
pronounce it right?
Invisalign.
Invisalign. Okay, so...
Because
anong klaseng
invisible
produkto ito?
alignment of teeth.
Invisible alignment. So, anong klaseng ano to? Paano nag-work to?
Ito.
Baka pwede natin ipakita sa
Dito,
viewers.
I will show you this,
sige po.
no? When we take, as you can see, once I submit the impressions, records, photos, everything to the US, they will manufacture as per my treatment plan and diagnosis. Tapos, yung computerized high technology machines nila, ang
Gagawin kung ano
magsasabi kung ilan ang kailangang aligners for the upper and the lower arches ng ipin, customized based sa bawat pasyente. So in this case, in every case, pagka nasabi nila, 21 sa lower, 20 sa upper, they will send everything na packaged in a box. No? Tapos, every 2 weeks yung pasyente dadating.
I see.
And maybe in another time or
Another time, may ganyan ako.
another guesting or whatever, I can bring the before and after photos. I don't know if we have it.
Napaka ipakita natin direct, oh. Tingnan mo, ano lang siya, oh.
Or they can come to the office at the V-Mall second floor, Dental Arts. And we
Diba?
have one on Annapolis also.
This is a piece of,
You see?
of wonder.
Oh, you take my daughter's wearing it. You can't even tell she's wearing it. Oh, smile. Oh.
Wala nga, ano?
Wala.
Sige, mamaya, papakita ka namin sa
She's also in dental school sa UE.
Oh my God. Were you also forced? No. It's your personal choice to be in that course, huh? Okay, good.
And she loves it more every minute.
Every minute of it. Okay, make sure. Kasi ako, biktima ako ng isang kurso na hindi ko gusto eh.
Talaga. But I guess it worked good for you, and
It worked good. I took Electronics and Communications Engineering and now I'm here. It's kind of weird.
it has its own rewards.
Okay. It has its own basically rewards. Okay, so yan. Anong name mo?
Hi, ate!
Te, anong name mo?
Maika.
Sige nga, makikita niyo ba kung meron
Smile,
siyang ano?
smile. She's wearing it open. Close a
She's
little bit.
not! She's not wearing anything.
She is. She's
Kaya-
wearing Invisalign. No, don't worry. Not unless you have a tissue,
Okay.
then you can take
But
it off.
anyway, ganyan. Kaya nga invisible, ladies and gentlemen, naghahanap kayo kung ano, kaya nga invisible, makikita nyo ba yan? Kung invisible. Okay.